Hey my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best oven baked barbecue chicken wings. So here I got some chicken wings that are already cleaned and patted dry, and I got all of my basic seasonings and my barbecue sauce that I'm going to be using to make these fabulous wings. So here I want to explain to you guys about the seasonings. I'm keeping it basic because whenever you are using a sauce on any type of meat, you don't want to overpower it with too many different types of seasonings because it's going to throw the flavor of whichever kind of sauce that you're going to be using. And it may become a little too seasoned or salty, or it may not taste good. So let's get started. So of course, because I'm baking these wings, I'm going to hit them with some olive oil. You can use any kind of oil that you have. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, avocado oil, whatever you choose. And this is going to help the seasoning to stick to the meat as well as keep it moist. The meat will not dry out. I will guarantee you that. So you don't want to give much, maybe about a tablespoon or two. That's the end of that. So I'm going to mix this up. Get that all the way through. Then I'm going to be hitting it with some liquid smoke just to give it that, that barbecue flavor. Bring out the sauce flavor a little more. Tastes like it came from off of a grill, but it's coming from out of your oven. Alright, so that looks good to me. Now I'm going to hit it with that liquid smoke. And this is very strong, guys, so be careful not to use too much. Maybe about 1.5 teaspoons on this amount of wings. Use your judgment or whatever you feel that you might like. And you want to make sure that that's all over. Smells like I'm at a barbecue already. But these are oven wings. Alright, so now that we got that part out of the way, I always go down with my black pepper first. So here we are, black pepper. You want to make sure you get enough on there because remember, you're going to be mixing this. And you want to see that pepper everywhere. And you want to taste it as well. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And this pan that I am seasoning the chicken wings in, I'm going to be baking them in. This is a clean foil pan. This is not the pan that I use to clean them in. If you guys are wondering, we do clean things over here. Alright, so now I'm going to hit it, last but not least, of the seasoning, the paprika. And guys, you want to have your oven preheated to about 350. degrees, and you're going to bake your wings until they are golden brown if you are baking them uncovered. And if you are covering them, you want to bake them for at least about 40 minutes to an hour to assure that they are cooked all the way through. Get rid of some of that excess juice that it's going to generate. Then bake them uncovered for about another 20 minutes. Get that nice golden brown color on it. Then hit it with your barbecue sauce. And right now, what I'm going to do is bake them uncovered so that they can be crispy and have that amazing great color. And these smell amazing already. That liquid smoke, man. Alright, so let me lay these guys out. Just want to flip them over. Make sure you have a pan that's big enough to give you some space so that they can bake evenly, because I do have the wing tips on them. And because I'm baking these uncovered, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of paprika on top to make sure I get that nice golden brown color. Just a little, not much. Because remember, that oil that's on there is going to help with the color also. And there's already paprika in the mix. So that should do. Alright guys, so I'm going to put these in the oven for about close to an hour, maybe a little over, but I'll be back when it's time to check on them. Alright y'all, let's take a looky at our wings. And this is what they're looking like right now. So I'm going to let them go for about another 15 minutes to make sure that they are completely done in the middle. So this is how they look when they get cooked, uncovered. So I'm going to put these back in 15 minutes. Then we're going to baste them with our barbecue sauce. So here's our barbecue sauce that I have heating up on the stove. Whenever you're going to baste the meat with a sauce, you want to always make sure that you warm it up, because it comes out better and it's easier to handle instead of squeezing a bottle over your chicken wings and, you know, creating a mess. So doing it this way will be much better. Trust me, guys. Alright guys, so our wings are done, and before we get to basting them with the barbecue sauce, I just want to show you that these wings are not stuck to the pan because we put that oil on there. You see that? How easy they move? And these are completely done. Alright, just to show you that they all are able to move.